Ever looked at your credit report and wondered, how the heck did that get there? Or maybe you're dealing with identity theft and need to get to the bottom of it. Well, chances are, Transunion is involved. It's one of the big three credit bureaus, and let's face it, dealing with them can feel like navigating a maze. So, today, we're cutting through the confusion. We're talking about how to effectively address Transunion. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why should I care about Transunion? It's just a bunch of numbers and letters, right? Wrong. Your credit score is like your financial passport. It determines everything from the interest rate on your mortgage to whether or not you can get that dream apartment. And Transunion holds a big chunk of that power. So, what happens when things go wrong? Maybe there's an error on your report, or worse, someone's stolen your identity. That's when you need to know how to deal with Transunion. But here's the thing, it's not always straightforward. There are phone calls, letters, and online portals to navigate. And let's be honest, dealing with customer service can be a nightmare. But don't worry, we're here to help. We're going to break down the different ways to contact Transunion, step-by-step guides on how to dispute errors, and tips on protecting yourself from identity theft. First, let's talk about the different ways to reach Transunion. There's the phone, the mail, and the online portal. Each method has its pros and cons, and we'll go over when to use which. We'll also discuss the importance of documenting everything, from phone calls to emails. It might seem like overkill, but trust me, it's worth it. Next, we'll dive into the dispute process. What information do you need? How do you write a compelling dispute letter? And what happens after you send it? We'll cover it all, including what to do if your dispute is denied. And of course, we can't talk about Transunion without addressing the issue of identity theft. How can you spot the signs? What steps should you take if you're a victim? And how can you protect yourself in the future? We'll provide you with practical tips to safeguard your personal information. Remember, knowing your rights is crucial. You're not powerless when dealing with Transunion. By understanding your options and taking action, you can protect your credit and financial well-being. So, whether you're a credit score newbie or a seasoned pro, this video will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to navigate the world of Transunion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.